Hi friends, I am Dr. Kavish Chauhan. I am a dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon from India. I am the secretary of FUE Asia and I would like to invite you all to our third FUE Asia World Congress, and which is also our second FUE Global Congress in New Delhi, India from 14th to 16th of March 2025. On this, we have a fantastic series of events. On 14th of March, we will have pre-conference workshops on laser hair removal, hair transplant, advances in regenerative trichology, trichoscopy, etc. On 15th and 16th January, we will have our main conference. On 16th January, second half, we will have the live hair transplant workshop at AIIMS New Delhi. And on 17th of March, you will have the option to do hands-on training on patients. And I invite you all to join this FUE Global Revolution in Delhi, India. Thank you.